So like that. What is the further question then?
The world can be otherwise than what it is because of karmic.
Commas.
Still not clear. Please, is it?
The world
World.
cannot be otherwise than what it is. It cannot be different.
Different world, you mean?
It cannot be different because of karmic, this karmic situation.
But there are so many different karma. So you see different world coming. Like you see individual within this, let's say, this house, half constructed whole here. Now, you see, within this, we are same human being. We come this same period. More or less, you see, way of living is more or less same. Yet, you see, within ourselves, some are happier, some are not happier. That kind of thing. This is so many different. Each individual is a past karma or past action. That's we believe. So you see, likewise, you see, the world is, the different nations, different continent. Then further go, it's a different world and different galaxies. It's different.